Hello teacher, my name is Axel Mercado Reyes and this is my video of cultures and celebration, okay? Today I talk about the Sumidawa Fireworks, a Japanese festivity created in 1732, okay? And this festivity takes place in the banks of the Sumida River the last Saturdays of July. In case of rain, this festival will be cancelled. Every year, 1 million of people visited this place, and many of them wear kimonos and yukatas. Well, it's all for this. Now I talk about the reason that I choose this festivity. I really love the Japanese culture. I really love the anime. I really love their discipline, their wearing, the kimonos, the yukatas. I really hope in a future travel to that place and live this beautiful experience. Well, thank you very much. And this is all for me.